Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You act fast, power off any power source and remove both AirPods and the case right away. Once done, pat all surfaces with a lint-free towel and remove silicone tips so moisture can escape. Make sure to keep the charging port open and do not plug anything in. Next, place the case and buds in an airtight container with silica gel or other desiccant to draw moisture out. This prevents shorting when you later apply power. You need patience here. Leave the AirPods and case in desiccant for 48 to 72 hours and keep them below 40 degrees Celsius. High heat warp seals. Once mostly dry, use short bursts of low-pressure compressed air to dislodge trapped droplets, and then carefully swab charging contacts and speaker meshes with a 70% isopropyl alcohol cotton swab, lightly, without forcing liquid deeper. Make sure to recheck. You can now cautiously test. After confirming complete dryness, try a short charge and check pairing and audio. If one bud is quieter or won't charge, reset the AirPods and inspect and clean the case and bud contacts again. Poor contact or residue often causes asymmetry. If both buds and case still fail, stop troubleshooting. Water damage can be internal. Make sure to contact Apple or an authorized repair center for diagnostics and replacement options. They can assess corrosion that you cannot see.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.